Hello guys, welcome to another episode of my YouTube channel, and today I'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now let's see what's inside and its features. Yeah, this is the box, the Active 2 box, 44mm stainless steel and 20mm for the strap. It supports LTE, 4G, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS, wireless charging method, quick charge. Let's see what the box contains. Okay, so this is the compartment for the stainless steel case, which is here right now, and this is for the strap. This particular Active 2 came with a leather strap, which after some months I discovered it's not really reliable because it started wearing off due to water and basically water. And here it comes with an eSIM as well for those in the US, I guess. eSIM and the activation. Let's not review that. And here is the wireless charger. Case for the wireless charger. It uses USB. You plug this to the power source and just place the watch on it. We are going to test that out very soon. Put that aside. And here is the manual. Here is the manual. Yeah. So the manual contains guide from how to charge to how to connect, how to activate and explore. Now let's put this aside and just go straight to testing out the watch. So here is the Active 2. I've been using it and I'll tell you exactly how to activate this. It supports Samsung device only if you want to enjoy the full features. And at the first time of putting this on, it automatically detects any Samsung device nearby and it's going to ask you if you want to connect to the device. Upon confirmation to connect, it requires you to turn on the Bluetooth of the phone, and from there it's going to connect and launch the Galaxy wearable app on your Samsung device. I will show you that right now. This is the Galaxy wearable app, and it supports connection for all Samsung gears and devices, including the earbud, the Galaxy earbud. And right now my Galaxy Active 2 is connected, so here you can see there are lots of things you can do with the app, from setting the notification of the watch right from the app, the notification, the sound and vibration, the display, the brightness and all. The advanced settings contains the water lock, the touch sensitivity and Bixby. Here you can see the battery of the watch. Now it's checking for me, so now it's telling me my watch is on 92%, and it's telling me all the usage right now. From here you can also add contents to the watch from your phone, like you can send images to the watch and music as well. So with that, the watch gets to play music separately on its phone without playing from the phone. The mobile plan, this is for the eSIM we saw earlier, but I'm just going to skip that, don't need it. So the text, the speech and all. The Galaxy wearable app contains a lot of features. You can find your watch from the app. For example, if you cannot find your watch within the house, you can just click this and it's going to ring out your watch. You hear that now. So let's start now. Yeah, so that's my watch. beeping. So you would always hear the sound and locate your watch and stuff like that. Tips and manual for the watch. That's it. Back to the watch. The watch has a lot of features, notification and all. So right now, this orange dot you can see right here, it's telling me that there's a notification. So all you just have to do is swipe to the side, and here's my notification. The Instagram, I guess, yeah, Instagram gallery. I just copied about 9 pictures to the watch, so it's telling me I copied 9 pictures. So you can also clear your notification to have space for the new ones. So this is the app. It has a lot of app as well. The gallery, these are the pictures I copied recently. You can see. So the image is really clear. It's really clear for the pictures. It has dates, stopwatch, alarm, and all, weather. You can check your emails from here, and you can reply messages from this watch. You can reply WhatsApp message, emails, and all, even with text, even with voice. Yeah, you can reply voice messages. You can just say okay, and it's going to recognize that you send. You can say about 2 sentences and it's going to record, and it's going to put them in text and send. The only thing you can't do there is you can't send voice message. Yeah, you can't send voice message with this. So hopefully in the next Samsung watch devices, hopefully that features will be there. Here's the notification, just like on the Android watch. The notification bar, the menu bar, sorry. So here, it has the features where you can just set the watch to water lock in case you have water on your hand and you don't want to get water into your phone. So right now it's not going to respond to any touch unless you put off the water lock by long pressing the power button. So now it's taking it away from the water lock. It's back. It's back now. This watch has, I think, about six wallpaper, and you can also download more from the Galaxy wearable app. So here are the wallpapers you can choose from. The watch has 2 buttons, the power button and the menu button, and the speaker is right here. Speaker is right here, and this is the place for the wireless charging, the place where you place on the wireless stand. And this is the strap. It's 20mm strap. This is 20mm strap. Initially, this is not the strap that came with the watch. I told you earlier it came with a leather strap, which I don't really enjoy using again. So before I got this silicone strap, I got a Velcro strap, and it didn't take long for me to dislike this as well, because for someone who is really classy like me, you wouldn't want to be seen rocking a Samsung Active Watch 2 with a Velcro strap. It's, I don't know, but it's really, unless you are going for workouts and you are going to be sweating a lot on, but still I still prefer the silicone strap. It's really dope, and I got three colors: the black, the ash, and the blue. So these are the two other straps. Really cool. In this video description, I'll be sharing links to where you can get a silicone strap as well, in case your active watch comes with a leather strap. And I will be dropping the link to get the active watch too as well. Now, the wireless charger is connected to the power source, the power bank now, and we are going to test it out. You place it on it like this. It's magnetic. It's magnetic. You can see. It's magnetic. You can see. So now it's charging. And you can also use the wireless stand. I have a wireless stand here. We are going to test out now. This is a wireless stand already connected to our power bank, and this is the section for the watch. You can just place it on it right here, and yeah, it's charging. So it's really a quick charge thing. It doesn't take long. It doesn't take long, and that's it. The silicone strap makes it really comfortable on your wrist, and it's really classy. You can see. One thing about this watch is it is very sensitive, and anytime I'm running or doing an activity that requires my whole body movement, it's either going to detect that I am running or doing one form of exercise. And another thing about the sensitivity is the emergency sensor there is really strong, that it has a fall detector. It has a fall detector. In case the user falls down, it's automatically going to tell you, do you want to send an emergency message? It's going to tell you, do you want to send an emergency message to your to the contacts on your emergency list that probably this user has fallen down, he needs help. And the funny thing is, anytime I jump on my bed, most of the time it always activates the fall detector, and then it's going to ask me, do you want to send message to your emergency list? And I'm like, yo, I'm just trying to fall asleep. You get that? So it's really a cool thing. It's really a cool thing. It's really a cool thing. And another thing is, when you are playing music on your phone, you can always control the music from the watch. You can always control the music from the watch, and you can also find your phone with the watch as well. Probably you are looking for your phone within the house, and you can just come right here and find your phone. Find my phone. So quick one, let me show you some features again. Right here, you can adjust the brightness of this watch by clicking this. You see, you can adjust the brightness, the volume as well, for ringtone, for media notification system, and the Bixby. You can also put it on power save mode. Right here, it's going to ask you, do you want to turn on power save mode? The torch, if you're in a dark place and all you have with you is the watch, you can also use this. It's really bright. You can connect to Bluetooth, turn on location. Airplane mode is also there. So that's it about Samsung Active Watch 2, and I would really recommend this. It's really affordable compared to the iPhone compared to the Apple Watch. And for me, I kind of prefer this to the Apple Watch because it contains it. I'll say it can. I'll say it can compete with the Apple Watch. For me, it can compete with the Apple Watch, and it's really an affordable thing to get. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye bye.